Myself, K.S. Bhatia. I'm presenting a very different vertical to the e-commerce. It's pumpcard.com. In fact, we are the first in India selling water pumps online, and it's a marketplace also. We established this in June 2014. We live it, and just in a span of 6 months, that we have sold around 2,500 pumps online, and we'll be closing around 3,000 pumps by March end, and we are targeting to sell 50,000 pumps next year if we get a funding of 1.5 to 2 billion dollar. Myself is a chemical engineer. I'm into this business since last 15 years, and I've done a lot of government projects also earlier. I was into the offline business. So this idea just struck in mind because I'm based in Chandigarh, very small place and all, representing small states also. Wanted to grow. So just this idea has been given by my son, who is only 13-year-old. He said, "Father, Papa, you please sell this online." So this idea struck in my mind. So I studied the market. I've seen there are websites in the world also. They're not doing very well. I've seen they have 3 brands, 4 brands, 6 brands. So I thought I should go ahead. I studied the market. I've seen there are more than 4,000 manufacturers in the country. I was very surprised. I studied the market in China. There are 50,000 manufacturers in China. India is the second largest place. The 4,000 manufacturers are there. So I thought, अच्छा idea मिल गया. Bring these people on a marketplace. So then we started with the online. Then after 6 months, we went with the offline. We started talking with all the shopkeepers like sanitary ware, hardwares. So they got a good response. Even there are people in the northeast. They are buying, shopkeepers like hardware, sanitary. They are buying us. They are selling to the customers. So it's a unique concept. And our USP is this: we have unique visitor, 3,000 unique visitor daily. And yesterday it was 3,300. So sometimes, other things is, that we are giving the EMI facilities also. The farmers are very happy, they are getting EMI facility. Farmers are being, there are farmers, they are calling us, 1 HP pump they are getting at 20,000. On our website we are selling at 11,000 rupees. So they are being cheated by all dealer retailers. They are removing the MRP and they are selling it. So these people are not aware of that. So I think we can catch that rural market in a very big way. So I am planning, it's a 24,000 crore industry in India. 70% is unorganized. My only dream is to make this sector organized. सबसे बड़ा player बनना है मुझे pump industry में. This is my dream. And so industry highlights, I have already told you it's a 24,000 crore industry. I hope you enjoying it, right? Yeah. So domestic pump market is 7,500 crores. Agriculture pumps 7,300 crores. So I'm very small in front of all this Flipkart guys and all these people. I asked this guy, this is the letter from the. Can you make it big? So this is the letter has come from. So Google India, they said, Mr. Bhatia, you have to represent e-commerce with the finance minister. So this will be on All India Radio, and hopefully the all business channel will be telecasting it. So we'll give you the question which you have to raise it. Okay. So see what a small chap I am. Just doing 2 crore business. So they also seen the passion, aggression in me. They wanted I should push entire e-commerce industry to the finance minister. So these are the achievements. Google India select 5 entrepreneurs. I am one of them from that Punjab, Haryana, Himachal area. And this is the news, 600 pumps per day online. Thank you very much.